Hi YouTube, it's Patrick here. Hope you had a great 2009 so far. Just here to show you how to build own bat boat. So first you take one of these black pieces, get one of these, put it there, then that piece there, and then you get this bit, whoops, and you put it on there, put this little grey bit through there, then the longest black bit you put through there. Okay, there's that bit first, and then now onto the machine guns. So you get one of these and put this through there, and then this bit through there. That's one, and then the second one obviously the same. So you add these on there. Then you can add this to the boat there. The control panel goes there. And last but not least, like the spoiler thing. So there you have it. That is how you build your very own custom bat boat.